Hi, I am Captain Justin, and these are my sidekicks. And we are so mad right now. Yeah, we are so mad right now at our teachers and EAs because because when we because when we all go on break and we're allowed to go on our phones and stuff like that. But when we're on breaks, we're not allowed to go on Chromebooks. Yeah, right. That's not right. Yep, that is not right. And now we're gonna change that now. So when we go on breaks and go on our Chromebooks, and when our teachers and EAs make a threat, we are not gonna listen to them ever again, because we are done. And we are putting that out there because we are done. This has to stop. Enough already. You teachers and EAs have to grow up. And besides, we were the ones grow up without phones and Chromebooks and computers. But you guys didn't. And that is not fair to us. And that includes all of us. So for now on, we're gonna go on breaks, get our Chromebooks, and when our teachers and EAs walk up to us and say you can't be on Chromebooks on break. Yeah, right. Not gonna happen ever again. And if this happens again with our teachers and EAs, they're going to be in big trouble with our police or us. And that includes all of us and our cops. The Fairboat cops. So when this happens again, they're gonna hear it from our Fairboat police and us. Cause this has to stop. Enough already. Grow up. You teachers and EAs think this is a game to you, but it's not. Grow out of it. All of us students are not here to learn about your rules. We're not coming here to understand you. We're not coming here to understand your rules ever again, because we are done. And from now on, that's going to be a new law now. Yep. That is going to be a new law. And if our teachers and EAs breaks that wall, they're gonna hear it from our favorable employees and us. Because this has to stop. I'm never ready. Grow out of it. Because we are done. Grow out of it. This is not a game. This is not a joke. And we are really mad at you guys here at STEP. But we're not being mean. We're being nice. But this not includes. But this does not includes power. This includes all you teachers and EAs, not power. So grow out of it. I'm not ready.